quite a roller coaster of a journey. So I started as a software engineer. I was working with ADP. So I worked with ADP for 4 years, and during that I was sent on site to New Jersey. That's when I had a halt over at Dubai, and I said I should be in Dubai. So somehow I got married, and I was staying in Dubai. Was in Dubai for 12 years. I have 2 kids and all. And just 3.5 years back, we moved back here. And after working in corporate for many years, I knew that I have to change my field into counseling and psychology, because I got certified as a coach and everything. But I always wanted to move into psychology and counseling. So presently I am a counselor. I'm doing my psychology, and I'm also doing research from Aurora Research Center on AI and psychology. And yes, my passion is to help others and is to be of service to others and to contribute basically. And I feel that younger generation nowadays, what happens is parents come to us and say younger generation is like this. I mean, a lot of issues. But I feel if younger generation can be turned into a counselor, if everyone gets this heart of a counselor, then the game will change. The problems will solve. Everyone will be a problem solver rather than a problem creator. So I have a lot of aspirations, and I connect closely with the younger generation. So my children tell me, you have not grown up. And I tell them, you have grown up too fast. You guys are always reading books. I like to have fun. So I think yes, younger generation is the one who can save all the problems, save the world from getting into the mess that it is having. So yeah, and love to be with all of you. It's a great initiative. Seeing people who are visually impaired is such a lesson in itself, and I think we have to learn so many things from all of you. So thank you for being there. It's lovely.